Here's a good example. I don't know if you guys can see it, but way off in the distance there, that white Tyvek wrapped house. There's some guys working on the roof. I want to see if I can get a quick shot of them. This guy's working on the roof in Wisconsin in winter. Good for them. That's how far away they are. And this isn't even the most advanced camera, but it's very impressive how far you can see. I can just make out that guy's orange pants from the naked eye. I would have to guess that's, I don't know, 500-600 yards, something like that, maybe probably more. I wonder if these guys feel like they're being watched at all.